I've always imagined the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn as like huge clouds. And I know that Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are denser. So in my head, I've always pictured them as like the consistency of like a slushy or like quick trip ice, you know, that like good pellet crunchy ice, like, but slightly melted is how I've pictured it. So but I was like, what are the, and I know they don't really have solid surfaces, but like, what are the surfaces of Neptune and Uranus like? So I looked into it and wanted to share what I found. So essentially these planets have 4 layers. The first layer is the atmosphere, which is what we see. So it's composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Methane absorbs red light, which is why the planets appear blue to us. And they're brutally cold and windy. And in fact, Uranus is about minus 224 degrees Celsius. The second layer is known as the transition zone. So it's where the gas starts to get thick, almost like becoming syrupy. So very, very getting dense until you get to the third layer, which is known as the ice mantle. So the term ice mantle, though, is kind of a misnomer. So in this layer, it's actually a hot, dense, and pressurized mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. The material in the ice mantle behaves like an electrically charged fluid, and also some scientists theorize that it rains diamonds in this area of the planet because the carbon molecules are under such enormous pressure that they think that diamonds may be forming. And then finally, the innermost layer is the core. We really don't know what the core is like on Uranus and Neptune. Obviously, we've never traveled there, but scientists theorize that it could be small, maybe about the size of Earth, rocky, or composed of iron. But they do estimate the temperatures at the core of the ice giant planets can reach about 5,000 degrees Celsius, which is almost as hot as the photosphere of the sun. So I think the biggest takeaway for me was that even though these planets are known as ice giants and they're the coldest in the solar system on the outside, they still reach tremendous temperatures on the inside. If you like content like this, please like this post and follow me. I share lots of cool facts that I learn about space because my 5-year-old son is obsessed with it. Thanks for watching.